Hello everyone, I want to share with you this software called SocialIntents, which is the best live chat and AI chatbot software. So before we dive in, make sure that you check out the link below so that you can follow along with an extended free trial and get some exclusive bonuses. So that is something that you should not miss out. Now jumping onto the platform, you can see we are on its dashboard and it is highlighting the currently created chats. We have completed chats and we have missed chats, so everything is going to be displayed in detail. In here we have view all for each and every feature, so we can head over to live chats feature, and here you can preview a chat which is created. Now if you head over to your apps section, you will be able to see that your live chat in here, and to totally customize it, what you can do is click on this pencil icon, and once you do that you will be directed towards its main settings, and this is the main control panel from where you are going to be completely modifying and adding different type of features for your live chat, like for example the widget name, the general settings, and we have the various different options, like for example our chat interface. We can even select a logo for our chat and some other emoji settings and much more. So this is only the first step. You can see you can customize your text, so whatever you would like to choose for your text to be displayed, it is going to be shown in here. After that we have our AI chatbot, and you can see we can customize the chatbot settings as well, and we have all these other settings as well. So all in all, this is the best chatbot and live chat featured application. Now on the left side you can even see your teams, so you can even add your agents in here. You can add their email IDs and stuff like that. So you have your contacts, and it is based on similar concepts. You can simply click on this add contact and add your contacts in here. We have reports to display our chat history, agent history, and visitor feedback. So an amazing all in all platform for best live chatting and AI chatbot creation. Now adding on to this product, I would like to show you some of its feedback left by people online. So you can see people are saying great messaging tool, SocialIntents and social intent review. I love easy integration with Slack. I use this at work to communicate with my coworkers. So it also have some integrations, so that is even better. So make sure to give it a try, and you can simply head over to the link in the description and try our extended free trial and get yourself exclusive bonuses. So that is something really awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.